about birds of prey. Finally, I have been reading from Raz Keats. Well, the robot Welcome Back, Folk, written by Fran Manson. Focus question. What are birds of prey and what are some of the features? Introductions. From far away, a large bird spots a mouse. In a powerful burst of speed, it dashes down and grabs the rodent with its sharp claws. Then the bird lands and uses its beak to tear apart its food. Birds of prey, also called raptors, are expressive predators. They have three important features that allows them to hunt and eat other prey. Their strong feet have talons that they use to grab prey. Their sharp, curved beaks can easily tear apart food. Birds of prey also have excellent eyesight that helps them spot prey from far away. Birds of prey live all over the world. They can survive in many different habitats, from prairies to deserts. A few kinds of birds of prey even live in cities. Scientists separate birds of prey into two groups. One group is nocturnal, active at night. The other group is diurnal, active during the day. Owls. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey, means that they hunt at night and sleep during the day. Owls have short tails, round wings. Their large head have flat face, big eyes, and curved beaks. Owls don't have eyeballs. Their eyes are more like tubes held in place by bones. This means they can't really move their eyes. To follow prey, they have to turn their heads. Owls can even turn their heads backward and see behind them. Owls hunt by watching and waiting for the right moment to pounce on their prey. When it's totally dark, owls rely on their sensitive hearing instead of their sense of sight. Unlike other birds, owls have special feathers. As they fly, their feathers don't make any sounds. Their silent flights also allow them to sneak up on their prey as well as hear its movements. When they are ready, owls quickly drop down and use their talons to catch their prey by surprise. Then they crush their prey with their beaks. Most owls eat small birds, mice, lizards, or insects. Awesome owls. Barn owl. Home is all continents but except Antarctica. Length is body up to 40 centimeters, 16 inch. Wingspan up to 110 centimeters, 43 inches. Unusual traits is barn owls originally got their name from nesting in barns. These owls have even been found living in baseball stadiums. Pygmy owls. The home, Western North America. Length, body up to 80 centimeters, 7 inch. Wingspan up to 38 centimeters, 50 inch. And there's a unusual trait about pygmy owl, or facts that one of the world's smallest owls. The pygmy one mostly comes out during the day. So that means great gray owl. Home, Canada, Northern Europe, Northern Asia. Body, up to 84 centimeters, 33 inches. Wingspan, up to 153 centimeters, 60 inches. Great gray owls are one of the tallest types of owls. They can live up to the age of 40. Great horned owl. North, Central, and South America is their home. The length is body up to 63 centimeters, 25 inches. Span up to 145 centimeters, 57 inches. Fun facts. The horns of this owl are really just tufts of feathers. Falcons. Except for owls, all birds of prey are diurnal. They are active during the day. Falcons are one example. These medium-sized birds of prey have long pointed wings, unlike owls, which hunt by silently surprising their prey. Falcons hunt use speed. Their amazing eyesight allows them to spot prey from far away. Their pointed wings help them fly fast and turn quickly as they chase their prey. Falcons attack by diving or stooping headfirst after their prey. Then they strike it hard, snatch it with their talons, and kill it with their sharp beaks. Amazing falcons. Home, Madagascar kestrel. Their home is East African coast. Length, body up to 30 centimeters, 12 inch. Wingspan, up to 63 centimeters, 25 inches. And kestrel are the smallest falcons. Look at this. It can catch a lizard or something, I don't know. This is a Leslie falcon. Weird, but also a falcon. Central America is their home. Body up to 53 centimeters, 21 inch. Wingspan up to 94 centimeters, 37 inches. The Leslie falcon earned its name because it makes loud yelps at dawn at dusk. The yelping can last up to 5 minutes. Peregrine falcons. All continents except Antarctica. Body up to 49 centimeters, 19 inch. Wingspan up to 110 centimeters, 43 inches. Peregrine falcons are the fastest bird of prey. In fact, they are the fastest of all animals. One was recorded diving at 389 kilometers, 242 miles per hour. Eagles, hawks, and kites. Eagles, hawks, and kites range in size from small to large. They are grouped together because of their strongly hooked beaks. These birds of prey usually kill their prey by squeezing it and stabbing with their talons. Eagles are some of the largest birds of prey. Their eyes are so big that they can take up half of the eagle's head. After catching prey with their massive talons, they usually take it somewhere to tear it into it with their enormous beaks. Eagles have the largest beaks of all birds of prey worldwide. Eagle visions and hawk eyes are two phrases that mean a person has a very good eyesight. Hawks have long tails and short, rounded wings. Their excellent vision, sharp beaks, and strong talons make them skilled hunters. Some hawks can easily move through branches to hunt in dense brush. Others prefer to soar high in the sky looking for prey. Many hawks perch in a tree or on a pole to wait for their prey. Kites are medium to large in size. The lightweight birds have small heads, short beaks, and long narrow wings. Many kites have forked tails. They spend most of their lives in warm climates. While they mostly eat insects, some kites are scavengers. Scavengers are animals that eat animals that are already dead. Exciting eagles, hawks, and kites. Martial eagle. Home, Africa. Length, body, up to 81 centimeters, 32 inches. Wingspan, up to 260 centimeters, 102 inches. Unusual traits. Africa's largest eagle. This bird can catch prey much larger than itself, including lions, cubs, baboons, and even antelope. Harris hawks. Yup. Southwest North America, Central and South America is their home. Body up to 59 centimeters, 23 inches. Wingspan up to 119 centimeters, 47 inches is their length. Unusual traits. Harris hawks usually work together to hunt in groups of two to 6 birds. Small kite. Home, Florida, USA, and Cuba. Length. Bodies up to 40 centimeters, 16 inch. Wingspan up to 160 inches, 46 inch. 116 centimeters. Small kites mostly eat snails. Kites. They have special beaks that help them get snails out of their shells. Vultures. Like kites, vultures are scavengers. Means that these birds rarely hunt. Most vultures have very good eyesight. Some have strong talons. Vultures share meals with each other. Larger vultures are those with stronger beaks eat first. Smaller birds must wait to eat scraps left behind. Vultures have bare heads so that blood will not match their feathers while they eat. Most vultures also have a crop. A crop is a large pouch used to store food. They can go long periods of time without eating. Incredible vultures. Turkey vultures. Home is North America. Length. Body up to 81 centimeters, 32 inches. Wingspan up to 148 centimeters, 17 inches. And user traits. Turkey vultures use their sense or smell to find food. Cape Griffon vulture. Home, Africa. Length. Body up to 110, 15 centimeters, 46 inches. Wingspan up to 250 feet, 55 centimeters, 100 inches. Unusual traits. Cape Griffon vultures feed their chicks bones to make them stronger. Conclusion. Owls, falcons, hawks, eagles, kites, and vultures are birds of prey that live around the world. They share three important features: talons, a sharp beak, and excellent eyesight. Turn your eyes toward the sky to spot one of these friends, predators, or work hunting prey. Connections. Writing. Use a Venn diagram to compare and contrast one nocturnal bird of prey and one diurnal bird of prey from the book. Then write a paragraph highlighting how they are alike and how they are different. Science. Choose one bird of the prey from the book. Draw a picture of the bird and label at least 3 of its features. Write about how the features help the birds.
Good job.
Alright, that's the end of this book, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, and have a great day.